Welcome to online class of St. Joseph Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to complete this book. That means our syllabus is going to complete it today itself, and we are going to do the last part of review worksheet 5 of class 3rd Maths Junior book. So let's solve the rest of the part. Now check out your homework. Third question, change A B part 7 days 13 hours. This you have to change into hours. As you know, days is bigger than hours. That means unit of days is bigger than hours. One day has 24 hours. So 7 days will be 7 multiplied by 24. And when you will multiply, you will get 168 hours. And 13 hours is already in hours. That you will add it. And your total answer will be 181 hours. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 carry. So 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8 and then 1. So 181 hours. Then D part 3 weeks 5 days 2 days. This means you have to change these 3 weeks 5 days into days. Now 1 week has 7 days. So 3 weeks will be having 3 multiplied by 7, that is 21 days, and 5 is already in days, so that you will add it and it will be equal to 26 days. Now see the F part question, children. 1357 milliliters to liters and milliliters you have to change. Now milliliter is smaller unit than liters. That means whenever you will go from smaller unit to bigger unit, you will divide. So here you know milliliter means it is a liquid measurement unit. So now you will divide 1357 by 1000. As you know, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter, or 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1357 milliliter will be divided by 1000. Now see the number of zeros in the denominator, that are 3. Now count down the 3 digits from the right hand side on the numerator, that is 357. This will be your milliliter and the number before it will be your liter, that is 1. So answer is 1 liter 357 milliliter. Always write the bigger unit earlier and later the smaller unit. Then see the H part, 7168 grams to kilograms and grams. Okay children. Now here also you have to follow the same process. Kilo means 1000, and grams is smaller unit than kilograms, so you will divide it. So first you will write 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Then 7168 grams you will divide by 1000. Count on the number of zeros. Now 3 are there. So on the numerator also you have to count on 3 digits from the right hand side. That will be your smaller unit, that is 168 gram. And the number before it will be your bigger unit, that is 7 kg. The total answer is 7 kg 168 gram. You have to write the bigger unit first, then you have to write the smaller unit. Now see the J part, 601 centimeter to meters and centimeters. Now centimeter is also smaller unit than meters. So you will first mention 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter or 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Any way you can write it. As you are converting centimeters to meters, so you will divide it. So 601 centimeter will be divided by 100. But here the number of zeros are 2 in the denominator. So from the on the numerator also you have to count down 2 digits. That will be your smaller unit and the number before it will be your bigger unit. So 6 meter 1 centimeter will be your answer. Children, you have to write in this way only in your exams. See the fifth question, children. A part, 46 kilometer 387 meter plus 94 kilometer 65 meter. Now you will add it, children. 7 plus 5 is 12. So write 2 in the answer part and 1 as carry. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 5 you will write in the answer part and 1 as carry. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. So meter part you will get 452 meters. Now see the kilometer part, children. 6 plus 4 is 10. So write down 0 below and 1 as carry. Now 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 9 is 14. So 140 kilometer 452 meters. Then B part children, 8 kg 608 grams minus 79 grams. There is no kilogram here. So leave that part children. First you will write 8 kilogram 608 gram. Then write 79 gram towards gram part only. Write on that column only. Don't write on kg part. Now you subtract. So 8 minus 9 you cannot do it. So what you will do, you will borrow 1 from 6. Now it will become 18. Now 18 minus 9 is 9. Now here, because 6 gave 1 to first 0 and then it went towards 8. Now the number when it gave to 0, it was 10 earlier. Now because 10 has given 1 to the 8, it has become 9. Now 9 minus 7 is 2 and 6 is reduced to 5. There is no number below it, so write down 5 in the answer part also. So 529 gram, this will be your gram part, and there is no number on the kg part, so simply you write 8. 8 kg 529 gram. This is your answer. Now see the C part question. 58 liters 192 milliliters multiplied by 4. Now here you have to do multiplication children. So 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. So 6 you will write in the answer part and 3 as carry. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So milliliter part you have got 768 milliliters. Then see the liter part and write liter in the column also. 4 8s are 32, 2 write you in the answer part and 3 as carry. Now 4 5s are 20 plus 3 carry, that is 23. So total answer is 232 liters 768 milliliters. Always start from milliliter part and then move towards liter part. Now children, we have completed our syllabus. Our annual syllabus is completed now. So we have to do revision. We have to practice it so that we can get good marks in exam. So what we will do, we will follow this revision date sheet and I will give you all the date sheet in every video that you have to follow it. Do the practice at home nicely and write in the way whatever in the way I am writing in the class, the same way you have to write. Don't give direct answers. Now see the timetable for that. 4th February we will do lesson 16 measures of length. 5th February we will do lesson 17 measures of weight, and 6th February lesson 18, that is measures of capacity. Children, lesson 19 is word problems, and word problems are based on these 3 topics. So that will also come with this only. So do all the practice with it. I hope children you have understood each and every topic very clearly, and you will follow the date sheet also, revision date sheet also, and practice it nicely. Do all the questions in whatever pattern I have done, and I hope you have understood each and every topic clearly. With this, thank you again.